In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add and use the open interest indicator on TradingView. This is a powerful tool that helps you understand market sentiment and potential price movements by tracking the total number of outstanding derivative contracts. If you're trading futures or perpetuals, this indicator can give you valuable insights into whether positions are building up or being closed out. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open TradingView in your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. For this tutorial, I'm using the Binance Perpetual chart, so navigate to any futures or derivatives chart that you want to analyze. The open interest indicator works specifically with derivative markets, so make sure you're not on a regular spot trading chart. Once your chart is loaded, look at the top of the screen and click on Indicators. This will open the Indicators search panel where you can find thousands of technical analysis tools. In the search bar, type Crypto Open Interest and press Enter. You'll see several results appear. Look for the official Crypto Open Interest indicator and click on it to add it to your chart. The indicator will now appear below your price chart in a separate panel. This shows you the open interest data for that specific exchange and chart you're viewing. Now, let me quickly explain what open interest actually is and why it matters. Open interest represents the total number of outstanding or open derivative contracts, such as futures or perpetuals, that have not been settled or closed. When open interest is rising, it means new money is flowing into the market and new positions are being opened, which often indicates strong conviction in the current trend. When open interest is falling, it means positions are being closed out, which can signal that traders are taking profits or cutting losses, and the current move may be losing momentum. By combining open interest data with price action, you can get a clearer picture of whether a trend is supported by real capital or if it's just a short-term move without strong participation. And that's it. You've successfully added and learned how to use the open interest indicator on TradingView. This tool can significantly improve your trading decisions by helping you understand market dynamics beyond just price movement. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.